everyone, my name is Tyler, and today we're going to be making gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. And also I'm with Rainbow Chefs. Right now I'm going to put all the wet ingredients together. So first we have flour, cups of flours, let's take this, put it in here. And we have 2 1/4, so 1 more cup and 1/4. Next, baking soda, which is right here, 1 teaspoon. This is 1/2 teaspoon, so I'll just take 1/2 teaspoon at a time. Teaspoon in, 1 more.
Too much, a little smaller.
Okay, now that's done. Next, the recipe said 1 cup of butter, but instead, for a healthier choice, I'm gonna do 1 cup of avocado oil. So here's the oil, sugar, okay. Next it said to do vanilla, 1 teaspoon of it. So I'm doing a 1/2. Now I have to beat it, so I have to beat this all together. Beating means like we beat everything together to make it all creamy and fluffy. Now I'm gonna put in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Good. And 1 more. Let's grab this good one. And so now you just take that apart. Like that. And now you make sure there are no pieces in there, nothing. I'm gonna do this, mix it, and then while I'm mixing, I add some flour. It's gonna get creamier. I switched to the spatula because the other thing where I mixed around with got too bad here, so it got stuck, so I had to switch. Are you guys having as much fun as I am? Can't wait to taste these cookies. Hi everyone, we just finished the cookies. I made these with natural ingredients. That's how Rainbow Chefs makes their things. And they look delicious. I'll tell you how they are at the end.